What I love about contemporary art is that it's so many things. The thing that drew me to contemporary art in the first place, and the reason why I love teaching it and having young artists learn about contemporary art, is that it helps them find a voice to explore and express who they are in the world and how the world works.
I guess contemporary art is sort of boundless and allows you to explore lots of different subject matters and different ideas with lots of different mediums as well. And I think that's what I've really enjoyed about being at QUT, is that you can try lots of different things along your journey to developing your practice.
Rather than having discipline-specific things where you might focus on only one kind of medium, we do any and all kinds of things. So whether it's painting and drawing, sculpture, three-dimensional spatial installations to time-based video art, and everything in between, or any combination of those things, studying contemporary art at QUT means you can do everything.
At QUT you can choose to paint and draw and sculpt whatever you want to do, and it's not tied to the skill itself. QUT helps you develop the conceptual grounding for what you are doing. I love the way it's structured, because every semester we have a different focus. It's structured around a way of thinking.
When you first come into the course in first year, there's a lot of push for experimentation. And then as you go into second year, there's a focus on finding your own voice within your practice.
And then you're thrown into third year and you can do anything. You've been given the language, you've been given the opportunity to develop an understanding of your practice, and then you're just given free rein and you do whatever you like.
Another exciting opportunity that happens during some students' degrees is that they get to go on international exchange. And those experiences where they're going abroad and studying at partner institutions mean they also get exposed to new fields of contemporary art and make new connections with other artists and arts workers around the world. An essential part of that third year experience at QUT is the culminating graduating showcase. Showing off their final work for the entire degree is a way for the students to not only show off to their friends and family, but also connect with industry and get that first foot in the door to have their work seen by new audiences.
QUT has these amazing open studios that you get a separate studio which is open to all the students.
What sets QUT apart when it comes to studying contemporary art is our open studio model. Students are able to not just work alongside each other, but with each other.
You're collaborating with your peers without even meaning to. Like, you're exchanging ideas, you're always talking to your peers and your tutors.
I was able to meet so many like-minded people, and that support has made it fun to study and get through the stressful times because we all come together, and just having that peer support and connection has really helped with my uni life balance.
Our graduates go on to all kinds of careers after graduation. Not only do they go on to become professional artists who exhibit at galleries and museums, both locally, nationally, internationally around the world. They could be gallerists, they could be curators working behind the scenes to stage amazing experiences. That might be directing a festival, or being an arts manager. Our graduates also go on to become teachers. Our graduates can do it all. Making art is a way for you to respond to the here and the now, but also the next. What we find as artists and as students is that exciting but crazy world that we live in today is something that people can respond to creatively. And then once they make that art and share it with others, that's a way to expand and connect with each other and maybe change the way that they engage with the world.
It's really amazing for being able to develop your own practice.
Yeah, I really love it, so I'm glad that I chose it.
It's been amazing.